Alright, so I like to 3D print stuff, and it gets hard to get stuff off the bed because I use glue to make sure the print sticks to the bed and it doesn't fail. And right now I've just been using a generic steak knife to get stuff off, but I'm worried it's gonna damage the bed. And I know there's lots of 3D designed bed scrapers, but I want to get into 3D modeling and design and learn more about 3D printers, so I'm going to design one myself and I'm going to see how it holds up. So let's do it. Okay, so I made a sketch of the top-down view of the scraper, so I created this whole side and then I mirrored it onto this side to get the top-down view of the birds, like the bird's eye view of the scraper. So I'm going to make a side profile sketch and then match them up together. Okay, so now I made the side profile, so now I just gotta match them up, so then it creates the scraper. Alright, so I finished designing it and I added an extra little thumb thing so I can have extra grip on it, and these sides are also for grip. So these two are for your fingers, and then this is also for your fingers, so it could provide you more grip if you're trying to really get a hard thing off the build plate. So now I'm gonna print it and see if it is good. So while I was 3D modeling, I was having trouble lining up the side profile with the bottom, the bird's eye view of it, so then it would fill in correctly. And my friend came over for dinner and he taught me how to do that exactly how I wanted to, which is amazing. So that's good that I learned. And now I'm going to 3D print it on my 3D printer and see how it turns out. Alright, so it's 3D printing right now and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so I'd say it was a pretty successful print and 3D design. I was able to print it without failures, so I'm going to put it on MakerWorld, Printables, and Thingiverse for you guys to download, and I'll put those in the description if you guys want to check those out. And I'm glad that I didn't have to iterate on it after I had printed it, and no print failures, which is amazing. Love to see it. And I'd say it's pretty successful 3D design. Got to learn about how to use Fusion 360, and now I can 3D design better and make more stuff.